name's Ryan. I'm a music producer currently traveling Southeast Asia. I just got to Thailand, but I want to take you into a day in my life as a music producer in Da Nang, Vietnam. So you're going to see an apartment tour, you're going to see how I cook up a new beat, and I'm also going to take you around Marble Mountain, which is this really cool cave system in Da Nang. So let's get right into it. All right, we just got back from Marble Mountain and sun's going down. It's a good time to show off the apartment. So let's do a little tour. It's a 2 bedroom apartment, 2 bathrooms as well. Bathroom there, and big living room, nice desk to work at, full kitchen. We have 3 balconies, so one's here, and here's another. Really great view. There's a 3rd balcony right here. We have a spare bedroom, which we don't use, it's just kind of storage right now. And then the master is really big and nice. Another desk here to work at, big TV, and a nice bathroom. So that's the apartment, and we're paying about $1,000 per month on Airbnb. All right, we're headed to the beach.
In my dreams, I'm never over you. Just trying to stay alive. No matter how I feel,
Let's get out
what I
of
do. Yeah.
Taste test. Vietnamese coffee is the best.
He slurps up all his food. See?
All right, all back and showered. It's about 9:30, and I'm about to jump on a phone call with a prospect and chat about their goals for music and see if it might be a good fit for production. Hey, Ashley, how's it going? Doing good. Yeah, so nice to connect with you. All right, so call just wrapped up. The prospect is looking for some like dance house type beats. So just looking through my catalog and gonna pull some beats for her and send her a beat pack via email. So just gonna do that right now and then get into my next part of work. So just took a pit stop to get a iced guava tea, and now we're gonna start some custom beat production. Today's like an idea generation day, so I'm gonna try to come up with at least 2 ideas, whether that's chord progressions plus drums, I think, to be able to present to my client as we kick off our custom beat project next week. So that's the goal for today, and let's jump right into Logic. All right, so I think I want to get some drums down. I'm thinking just like a really simple, groovy drum pattern around 90 BPM. I'm loving using Easy Drummer for my drums as of late, so let's just go through the grooves and see if we can find something that sounds good. All right. That's fire. I think that's like exactly what I'm looking for. Let's drag that in. Then that's good variation there as well. All right, I like those drums a lot. Super groovy. Let's start working on some guitar. I'm gonna go for the Tone King Imperial for my guitar tone. Let's do a little bit of lead. Ooh, that's fire. That is fire. All right, so when that second part of the drums come in, I'm gonna go like this. All right, that's fire. All right, we're gonna kind of double the main chords, but play them up top. So let's try that. I really like that. Sounded good, man. All right, I think that's the idea. On a beat like this, I would definitely hire a keyboard player for some Rhodes, piano sounds as well, maybe some synth stuff. And then I would like to hire a bassist for some funky bass lines on this. But yeah, that's gonna be it for this one.
Tanveen taking over the camera. We're going for lunch right now, and then we're gonna hike a mountain. Well, hopefully it's not a lot of hiking, because I can't hike. He just knows. Let's go. It's like Bopper. Bopper is like this in India. So close.
It's cool. All right, so we are taking a break. Lots of climbing. It's very hot and sweaty. Here's the view. So we just finished dinner and now we're at a massage spot and gonna get hour-long massages.
Yeah.
So
Living like kings.
yes, it's a good day. Post massage, what do you think?
I thought it was a very active massage. I was not expecting
It
that.
was very active. They were like stretching us, twisting us.
Twisting. She literally lifted both my legs over my head, and I was like trying so hard not to laugh. And she kept tickling me on accident. I kept laughing, and she kept saying, "Are you okay?" I'm like, "Yeah, dude." I said yes like 50 times, but it was good. It was good. Those are just some funny moments.
Yeah, it was nice. It was nice.
Go relax.
All right, that's gonna do it for the vlog. It's about 10:30, so we're about to go to bed. And yeah, see you in the next one.